Hello everyone. Welcome to this English listening video. Today, you will watch a calm story in a jewelry store. Sarah and Liam want to buy a small gift. They ask simple questions, look at rings, and talk about price. Listen carefully and try to understand the main ideas. At the end, you will hear what they choose. Are you ready? Let's start slowly and enjoy the conversation.
Hi, Liam. This shop is beautiful.
Yes, it looks very nice.
Do you want a ring or a necklace?
Maybe a necklace for my sister.
Okay, let's ask someone.
Hello, excuse me.
We want a small gift.
Can you help us, please?
We are looking for something simple.
Not too expensive.
Look at that one. It is shiny.
I like it, but is it heavy?
We can ask the price first.
Good idea. Let's see.
I feel excited.
Me too. Let's take our time.
Hello? We need help, please.
We want a necklace for a gift.
Something small and pretty.
Do you have good options?
We are new here.
What is a good price?
Maybe under 100.
Do you have one in silver?
Or gold, but not too bright.
Can we look at rings too?
Just to compare. Please.
We have time, so take your time.
Thank you for helping us.
I like this tray.
Me too. Let's see the details.
Okay, we can decide slowly.
This one is very pretty.
Yes, but I think it is thin.
Thin is okay. It can be light.
Do you see the small pendant?
Yes, it looks like a star.
I like stars. My sister does too.
Then let's check the price.
Is it too expensive?
Please tell us the cost.
We want to stay in our budget.
What about this second necklace?
That one has a small circle.
It is simple. I like simple.
Me too. Simple is nice.
Let's try them on later.
Okay, I feel ready.
Is the chain long enough?
I think it is a little short.
Let me see. I want it comfortable.
Yes, comfort is important.
This clasp is easy to close.
Can we make it a bit longer?
Maybe by one link.
Please ask.
Excuse me, can you change the length?
We don't want it too tight.
My sister doesn't like tight things.
Good point.
How about this other chain?
Try it. Let's compare.
Okay, one moment.
Take your time, please.
Which one do you like more?
The star one is special.
Yes, it is cute.
But the circle is more simple.
Simple can be nice too.
What is the difference in price?
Please tell us if you can.
We want the best value.
I think the star is brighter.
And the circle is more quiet.
My sister likes quiet things.
Then maybe the circle.
Okay, let's check the budget again.
Do we have enough?
I think yes. Let's ask.
Good. We will decide in a minute.
What is the price for this one?
And what about the other one?
We want to compare.
Please, no problem.
If it is too much, it's okay.
We can look at another style.
But we like this circle a lot.
Yes, it looks comfortable.
Do you have a cheaper option?
Maybe a smaller pendant?
Or a plain chain?
We just want something thoughtful.
For a birthday gift.
A small gift is fine.
Thank you for checking.
Okay, let's see what you suggest.
Okay, let's take this one.
Yes, the circle necklace.
It feels right for her.
Thank you. We want to buy it.
How can we pay?
Card is fine, I think.
We have a card.
Please tell us the total.
Is there a discount today?
If not, it's okay.
We just want a good gift.
I'm happy we chose it.
Me too. Let's finish.
Okay, ready.
Thank you for your help. Can you wrap it as a gift?
Yes, please, for her birthday.
Do you have a nice ribbon color?
Maybe white or light gold?
Light gold sounds good.
We want it simple and pretty.
Please use soft paper.
Okay, thank you.
Do we need to write anything?
No, just keep it clean.
We will write later at home.
Good idea.
I like how it looks.
Me too. It feels special.
Now we can go.
Yes, let's take the gift.
We bought the necklace. But look!
Rings! They are beautiful.
Just to look, not to buy.
Okay, I want to see.
This one is simple.
And this one has a small stone.
It is shiny. Do you like it?
I like it, but I'm not sure.
Maybe for another day.
Yes, for another gift.
What size do you need?
I don't know. I need to check.
We can ask later.
For now, let's be calm.
We have time.
Let's keep walking.
Okay. I like this store.
Me too.
Can I try this bracelet?
Yes, if it is okay.
It looks comfortable.
Let's check the size.
Okay. One moment.
Is it too tight?
It's fine.
Good. It looks nice on you.
Thank you. I like it.
But remember, we are buying the necklace.
Yes, we should not spend too much.
Still, it is pretty.
Maybe for later.
Yes, maybe next time.
Okay, let's put it back.
Careful. Slowly.
All done. We have the gift.
Yes, thank you very much.
Let me hold it carefully.
Good. It looks perfect.
Did we get everything?
I think yes.
The envelope is for the receipt.
Yes, keep it safe.
Okay.
Do you want to check one more time?
No, I trust you.
Me too.
I feel happy.
I'm happy for her, too.
Let's go home now.
Yes, slowly, please.
It's cold outside.
Yes, a little. Let's walk fast.
Do you think she will like it?
I think yes. It's simple and nice.
The star or the circle? We chose the circle.
And it matches her style.
I'm glad we listened and asked questions.
Shopping is easier when we talk.
Next time we can come again.
Yes, for a ring, maybe.
But not today.
Not today. Today is for the gift.
Okay, let's go home.
I'm ready.
Thank you again.
Anytime. Bye.
We are home now.
Yes. Let's prepare the gift.
I want it to look perfect.
We can add a small note.
Okay, here is a card.
We will write something simple.
Like, Happy Birthday.
Yes, simple words.
Do you have the pen?
Here.
Thank you.
Take your time.
I will wrap it again.
Good. It will be safe.
Now it looks really nice.
She will be happy.
Okay, the gift is ready.
Great job. It looks beautiful.
We asked the price, and we compared.
Yes, and we chose calmly.
First, we asked for help.
Then we looked at necklaces.
We checked comfort and size.
And we paid and wrapped it.
Now it is safe.
And we learned some English words.
Like price, simple, gift, and help.
Yes, you did well.
Thank you, Liam.
See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Nice work today. So, what did Sarah and Liam buy? They chose a simple necklace, wrapped it as a gift, and prepared it carefully at home. Did you hear the key words help, gift, price, and simple? Keep practicing by listening and repeating these short phrases. In every video, I share calm stories in easy English to help you learn naturally. If you enjoyed this jewelry store story, please like, comment, and subscribe. I hope to see you in the next video. Good night and bye-bye.